Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob, or aka Spy Cobra. Just want to let you know today we got a really cool, awesome build. This is going to be a real good gaming monster of a PC. So I just want to let you know we're going to go ahead and build this. We're going to get right to it, no more talk. And I'll see you when it's done. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start off today with the Intel Core. This is the i9 14900K. The K stands for integrated graphics, I guess. But what it means is that you have it unlocked. You have the max speed. We're not even going to talk about price with this. Just know that you're not going to have to update your Intel chip for a very long time with this one. This is the top of the line. And we get the integrated graphics with this, so we can go ahead and use it in case we need to troubleshoot anything off the video motherboard, off the video card, off the motherboard, off the integrated graphics. So that's what we got right now. This is a beast. This has too many cores. Don't worry about it. You don't need to know, but it's the top of the line. That's all we need to know. All right, so I figured from the CPU we go on to the motherboard. This is the ROG Strix from Asus Z790E gaming Wi-Fi. So this is basically gonna have everything you need for the near future and more. You got Wi-Fi 7 support, you got the RSRGB, it's made for DDR5, and you also are gonna be able to use Bluetooth, not only Wi-Fi with this. So you can attach all your Bluetooth devices, controllers, headsets, whatever you like, speakers. It'll all work nice and good with no wire. Wireless is always a plus, or you can just connect the Ethernet cord directly to it. Either way, it's a win-win, and this is a hell of a motherboard. It's gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for NVMe support for your storage. So it's gonna look nice, it's gonna work nice, and that's what we needed to do. Next, all right, now we're moving along to the storage. 1 terabyte of Samsung 980 Pro. This is pretty good. It's a read speed of 7,000 megabytes. It's gonna be super fast for your OS, for your games, and this is where I recommend to start for any PC build. 1 terabyte of nice quick PCIe Gen 4. That's gonna work perfect with the motherboard, with the 4090 and the i9. It's just gonna be really well put together, and everything's gonna work in perfect harmony. So let's move on. Right, up next we have the RAM. This is RGB RAM from G-Skill, DDR5. This is gonna be 6,000 megahertz. It's gonna go really well. I recommend 6,000, a good starting place for these i9s and Gen 14 CPUs. So this is gonna be a great start. It's gonna rock. This is 32 megabytes worth, and I believe it's 36 CL36 timing. So for you nerds, that just means it's gonna be quick. And if you don't know, it just means it's gonna be quick. All right, let's move on. All right, to cool the CPU, because this is a hot one. This is going to be a hot CPU, and you want to make sure it's cool. We got this Kraken Elite 3060 RGB. So 3060, oh god, 360 RGB. So what that means is this beast is going to be able to be nice and cool, because the CPU is going to definitely need it. But this is going to look great, and you have that access to the LCD screen on the actual pump head. So you can be able to change the actual readings, the GIFs, and all that good stuff. We're gonna customize it for our friend here, and this is gonna look great in the build. All right, and what we have here is the Lian Li Uni fans, the infinite ones. These are the ones with the mirror effect on the side. These fans are pretty much some of the best fans. Easy to connect, beautiful diffused RGB, and they'll always look great, and they work great. It's gonna keep everything in the case super cool, because we need it for this i9. But the best part about it is that we have a total of 9 fans, so it's gonna look good on our case. And let me show you the case next. All right, guys, so right here we have the O11 Dynamic Evo in black. We essentially built on a couple of Evos, but they were white. So now we're going for a black theme, and black is nice. This thing, you can pretty much change the setup. Sorry for the glare. You can move the motherboard around. You can flip it to the left side, components on the left. You can move all the AIO. You can put it to the left. You can put it on the side over here. You can do a lot of things with this case. Now we're gonna leave it as is. You also have this nice RGB strip that we're gonna use, but this is the O11 Dynamic Evo in black. This is gonna look awesome. This whole build is gonna be mostly black, and we're gonna make it look real nice for our friend who's basically we're building this for. All right, So let's get to it. We've talked a lot. Let's finish it. Let's get it started. Let's finish it. All right, we have the power supply. This is going to be powering everything in the PC. Fully modular, 80 plus gold, ATX 3.0 ready, Smart Zero, 10-year warranty, Japanese capacitors, all that good stuff you can read yourself. And the best part is it comes with the 16-pin GPU cable ready to go for the 4090s, 4080s that have the new 16-pin connector. So that saves us a bunch of headaches in trying to connect the GPU. And now I'm going to show you the GPU so we can show you the star of the show, because this is where most of the money goes on a build like this. All right, guys, so here we go. 1000 watts of power supply goes for all the components and especially the graphics card. That's why we have that power supply, because we're gonna have to power this bad boy. This is the Asus 4090 basically ROG Strix. I mean, you can't get any much better than this graphics card right here. You're not gonna need to upgrade this for a very long time. You'll be happy with this for probably the next 6 to 7 years if you really want to just keep this for a while. 24 gigabytes. It comes with a OC straight from the box, and we're gonna use that OC. And once again, it's an Asus mostly PC, so this is gonna match up with all the Asus products and keep the RGB management under control, because we're gonna have a few things RGB, and this is gonna look great. Just want to point out, this lights up right here, and I'll show you once we get the build going. Let's move on. 4090, baby, let's go. guys, I've had to record this like 3 times. I'm having some technical issues with the mic. But anyways, computer is posted, turned on. It was super smooth to update. All the drivers were great. I'm super happy with how fast everything worked. It's right now the fans are on turbo, and I'm gonna do that and keep it like that because I want to keep the 4090 cool and the CPU cool. So we paid the money. Let's keep the components healthy. I mean, the fans are replaceable anyway. So I like performance, and that's how I'm gonna leave it for our friend who wanted to build the computer. It's for gaming, so performance is all I care about. At the end of the day, you know, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm really happy about the build. I'm gonna show you some benchmarks, and we're gonna stare at it, and I'm gonna show you some roll. And I appreciate you guys once again. Spy Cobra out.
Pianto a яйца!
Had enough of this!
To all nearby units, suspicious activity reported in Pacifica.
What, in Pacifica? No way! Copy, dispatch. I'm en route.
Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. Enemy dropping into the AO.